Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to level up your measures. We're not just counting anymore, we're going to filter while calculating. And for that, we use one of the most powerful functions in Power BI, calculate. So we want to calculate total male employees and total female employees. So far we used count rows, but that gives us the total. Now we want total employees based on a condition. That's exactly what calculate does. Before we write the formula, look at the gender column in the staff table. You'll notice male employees are stored as M and female employees are stored as F. So we must use the letters M and F in our formula, not male or female, because Power BI matches exact values. Go to the KPI table, then new measure. Now start typing male employees equal. This is just the name of the measure. Now type calculate, open parentheses. This is the most important part. Think of calculate like this. Calculate something but with a condition. Inside calculate, we first defined what we want to calculate. So type count rows. Then staff. This means count all rows in staff table. So right now, this would give us the total employees. Now type a comma. This separates the calculation and the condition. Now we tell Power BI only count male employees. So type staff gender equal M. This means look at the gender column, then only keep rows where value equal M. Now close the parentheses, then hit enter. Now repeat the same steps and create a new measure, female employees equal, calculate, open parentheses, count rows, choose staff, then type comma, then choose staff again, gender equals F. Press enter. Now click each measure, then change visitors to card. Now you'll have total male employees and total female employees. Now here is a very important tip. I'm going to click on a new measure again, then type male employees 2, then equal, calculate, open parentheses. Instead of writing count rows staff, we can also reuse the total employee KPI that we have already created. Then type comma, then choose staff gender equal letter M. This is a cleaner and more professional. We're basically saying take the total employees and filter only males. Then hit enter. Now, if you want to customize this visual again, you don't need to go back to the visitors panel every time. You can just use the format painter to copy the formatting from another visual and apply it instantly. After that, click on each visual and update the title, such as female employees and male employees. Then move these visuals to the top of the page so they align nicely with total employees and keep your dashboard clean and organized. Now, calculate is not just a function, it's the brain of your dashboard. Once you understand it, you unlock real Power BI power. In the next lesson, we'll continue building advanced measures and interactive dashboards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.